The Gates Millennium Scholarship is a lot to me. It's more than anything to me, and I have dedicated all of my 4 years of my time studying and to prepare for it to get it. And then, like all the time, since my freshman year, I knew that I wanted to get some kind of scholarship so that my parents doesn't have to pay money for it, and I don't want him. I don't want him to pay any pennies for my college. And then I work hard. I dedicate my time all the times doing homeworks and involved in clubs.
Ash is fun. Ash is amazing. His best attributes, I think, when I describe Ash, the obvious stuff is you win that many scholarships, he's obviously very bright. What I really see Ash as, not as a just strictly a bright student, but he is a hopeful, happy person. I mean, he is really sure of himself and has great disposition.
I think the biggest things that can be said about Ash is he has so much compassion and he has so much determination. For a high school student, it's really, really impressive to see that all in one 18-year-old teenage boy.
My dream is to be involved in some kind of math and science field, and that needs really strong English, the courses skills. And then I think I got that skills from here right now in Central High School, but college, it will help me smoothly transition. So I believe, Central High School has a great academic preparation for college.
And he's not afraid to ask. If he doesn't understand something, he will come up to you and say, this is worded in a way I don't understand. And because I speak and write very colloquially, it kind of affects students who don't speak English as their first language. And a lot of students who don't speak English as their first language just kind of don't want to draw attention themselves. He knows it's not an issue of him, it's not an issue of me. He just wants to know. He wants to do his best, always.
I think the first memory I have at the beginning of the school year with Ash, we were talking about, we were reading a book, and I had asked a question, and the whole class is silent because nobody wants to answer the question. And here comes this hand excitedly raised, and he had the most profound and in-depth answer. And not that I guess I wasn't expecting that from him, but a lot of the time students have layers and you don't really realize what they're willing to share. And I don't think I expected that quality of answer and that much enthusiasm to participate in a discussion from the quiet boy in the back of the room.
I strongly encourage all the seniors to do the same thing that I have did. Focus, focus, focus. So that is my